Hi, this is Janet with Love and the Bling Designs, and I wanted to show you the new items I'm actually going to be working on. This is a blinged out tumbler. This is a 30-ounce HOGG tumbler, and I spray painted it turquoise, and I used vinyl for my name, and used Aquarium rhinestones from begrateful.com to outline the name. This is my first time doing a bling tumbler, and I have a tray for to have all my rhinestones in, and I have my glue, and I'll label all these items down below that I'm using so you can link to them. I got the glue and the actual bottle for the glue with from Amazon, and I got like I said, I got the rhinestones, these from Be Grateful, and these are SS20s from Amazon. These are a mixture of SS, I believe 20s, 6s and 8s. Whoops. I got the glitter pen from Amazon as well. And like I said, I'm new at this, so this is my first one, and I'm really liking it. It's something you can just do when you're sitting around watching TV, or anything like that. There is no odor from the glue, so you don't have to worry about that. And this is called a honeycomb pattern, starting from the bottom, working my way up. When I get around the name and stuff, I'll be using different sizes of crystal stones to fit in the spaces. And I will show a video of a finished product later. Probably take me days, but since this is my first one. But I wanted to share. Thanks for watching.